Hi, in this article, I will explain you about the dominant players in India in terms of ATM, UPI, and card transactions. This is April 2024 based analysis, and the data has been taken from this RBI link. You will find the link of this particular site here also. So you can click here and you can go to that site. Now, let me explain you what is in each of the image. So actually each of the image is giving you Pareto diagram. So here if you look at this is cash withdrawal from ATM, it says that SBI is the most dominant player and it accounts for almost 35% of the total cash withdrawal, followed by HDFC which approximately 9% it accounts for. Similarly, it talks about in credit card payment transactions. So, as many times the credit card has been used for making payments, HDFC is the biggest player, followed by ICICI, followed by SBI. So, it is giving you again the individual volume as well as the cumulative percentage. So, by now, here you approximately reach to 75% of the volume in the top four player. So, similarly, all there are four graphs have been given, and then you have the numbers of the top five player also available in the image, and then online percentage of the total credit card spend, what percentage of total credit card spend is happening on online. And you can see some has like Citibank has very high online spend percentage. Then credit card payment in thousands divided by per card. So per card, what is that total purchase is happening, and it is a little higher for this MX, and you can see for other players. Now let me explain you also that how these charts have been prepared. So it has been prepared using Extreme ML, and here all thing what I have done here, I just went ahead, read this data which is here. So here I just interested in the regular analysis, so I did regular analysis and I read this data, which is the RBI data. And after reading this data, I said all options set. And wherever I need to do Pareto, so I went here in the visual analysis. I said select, let's say here, if I'm looking at the total number of UPI QR code, and I'm interested in some of that, them, how many QR code are there, and I'm interested in Pareto so that I know how it is happening. So it talks about Yes Bank. In fact, it doesn't show any names like Google Pay or Paytm. This I have checked it in RBI data also. So it comes like that. It just shows you. Just let me remove the flooring and capping because that is actually it's curving some of the data. So I've removed the flooring or capping so that it shows the actual value, not the floored or capital. So what it is showing you that the biggest volume is coming from Yes Bank, and this data I verified in this is the same. This appearing same in the RBI data also, followed by Yes Bank, and these two together constitute 87%. Yes Bank itself is 57%, 59, approximately 60%. If you are looking for some other, let's say for example, you are looking at total credit card spend that is happening. So all I need to do just go and select total credit card purchase value, payment value, and now the chart will show you the total credit card purchase value. So as I told you that if you are going for top four, it is actually approximately 72.45. This is HDFC's 400 40,898 crore, and it amounts for approximately 26% of the volume. Then this and ICICI together amounts for 44.92, so approximately 45% of the volume. So this is how the cumulative is coming. And the ratio graph, where I talked about, okay, let's say total credit purchase, and now what I'm looking at total credit transaction. So per transaction, or let's say by per card, what is the spend that is happening? So let me select number of cards here, number of credit cards. So it will show you the graph, but obviously there are some which doesn't have any credit card. So it will actually put a very high value because division by zero kind of error. So, that's where, let me just take out that division by this. And in lieu of Pareto, I'll have to say interact graph. But this will put division by zero error, and that's where you'll find some of them are like coming huge. So what I'll do here, I will put only those players which had at least one credit card. So let me just go ahead and say that I will take only those players where number of credit cards are at least one. So number of credit cards are at least one, so that it removes all those who are not actually uh, participating into credit card business at all. So now you have the correct number, and here it should show the correct figures of the interaction. Interaction charts works on sum by sum only, so that should not be a problem. So let's just see the figure of bank wide. What is the credit card spend happening per card? So let me divide it by number of credit cards. So this is how the per card spend is coming. So it's bank wise credit card payment transaction. Sorry, I have taken online. I should have taken the total purchase credit card. So let me take the total credit card purchase. Total credit card payment value in thousands. So now it is going to give you per total credit card payment value in thousands divided by number of credit cards. So this is giving you per card what is the spend. So this is how the data has been taken and has been put on this particular article so that you can just read it properly. Thank you for watching.